Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering down and removing external power. This prevents shorts. Once off, remove the battery if your Lenovo model allows it, and keep screws organized. Make sure to ground yourself. Static will fry connectors, so use an ESD strap or touch bare metal periodically. Now flip the laptop, locate keyboard bezel screws and rubber feet. You're ready to remove visible fasteners and pry gently at the bezel seams to expose the keyboard edge. Once the bezel is off, lift the keyboard gently from the edge closest to you. It usually pivots up like a hinge. Make sure you see the flat ribbon cable and a small locking clamp on the ZIF connector. This is the delicate point. Don't pull the cable. Instead, flip or slide the connector's locking tab, then pull the ribbon straight out. You're removing the electrical link, not the cable adhesive. Take a photo of the orientation for later reinstallation. With the cable removed, set the keyboard aside and proceed to reassemble the bezel and any chassis screws in reverse order. Make sure connectors sit flush before final tightening. Once powered, test with the built-in keyboard or an external USB keyboard to confirm behavior. If keys don't work, reseat the ribbon and inspect the ZIF connector for bent pins or dust. Blow gently or use isopropyl on a swab. If still dead, the keyboard or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.